I'm just back from the AIBS Queensland Northern Territory Chapter Conference. These events are a critical part of my role, a great way to engage with the industry. Where else do you get 250 certifiers all together in one room who can just focus on changes in industry and innovations and understanding what's coming up? So I had 4 key takeaways from the event that I wanted to share. Number 1 was our FastFix Screw range and how we can, what I call, scrap the strap and get rid of tie-down strapping in tie-down connections. So certifiers love the idea of the screw instead. It means that they don't have to count nails. It means that there are no sharp protruding edges from frames. And when you've got our identification tags on the screws, it makes sign-off a breeze. And we've been engaging very proactively with the certifier community, providing guidance on how to inspect and certify those screws. So we're seeing that being a really popular compliance solution. The second one was around partition connections, and particularly the use of batten screws to restrain internal walls. Certifiers hate it. The QBCC have been coming down quite hard on it and putting them under pressure to pick it up. And so a number of them had stories about having to tell builders to reverse work done with batten screws and use a compliant connection instead. Happily, we've been in consultation with the QBCC, confirmed that our new internal wall screw does comply with the code. They're happy to see it, and the certifiers like how repeatable and easy it is to get right. The third one was around material shortages. Again, that's a popular topic, and you can imagine as a certifier coming onto site, seeing a new species of LVL or glulam, and really not being sure of the origin of it or the compliance of it. And we are seeing some challenges there with all sorts of new entrants to market. So that was a big emphasis, is that certifiers want to see the supporting documentation and feel really confident that the right materials are being used. So that's one we're working on very hard in Pryda Build, and also just in our communication with the industry to make sure that those pathways to compliance are understood and that our software is providing a compliance solution as well. And finally, just the time pressures and staff shortages that exist in the world at the moment are impacting trades and certifiers as well. So we're seeing new people coming onto site, we're seeing people trying to get work done very quickly, and that's leading to friction and mistakes and things that need to be rectified. So once again, back to the Pryda mantra of safer, faster, smarter, easier. We're doing everything we can to make building repeatable, to make it simple, to make it easy to get right and easy to certify. So a big thank you to AIBS for having us once again. We really enjoy these events. Great to have so much access to their members. It's great to see the interest in our innovations in the industry and the support from AIBS and their members.